Are you passionate about health, wellness, and mindfulness? Starting a yoga studio in Malaysia could be your perfect business journey. Malaysia's growing wellness culture makes it the ideal place to open a yoga studio. With increasing awareness of fitness and mental well-being, more Malaysians are embracing yoga than ever before. The first step: register your business with the Companies Commission of Malaysia (SSM). Decide whether you want to operate as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or private limited company, each offering different advantages in ownership and liability. Next, choose a peaceful, accessible location, ideally in urban centers or residential areas. Make sure your space complies with local council zoning and safety regulations. Apply for the necessary business licenses and hire certified yoga instructors. A clean, serene environment and professional trainers can elevate your brand reputation. Promote your studio through social media, community classes, and online booking systems. Offering packages, memberships, and wellness programs can attract loyal clients. At 3E Accounting Malaysia, we help you with company registration, licensing, and business setup, so you can focus on spreading peace and wellness.